YouTube! What's up guys, it's your boy James back with another video. And today we're going to do a full detail review and an on feet for the Air Jordan 5 Oreo. Now this sneaker is dropping at some retailers on September 10th. However, it has been pushed back on the Nike Sneakers app to September 25th. But either way, I'm going to be bringing you guys this early look, this early review, and obviously giving you guys this on feet look. Once again, I would like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys so much for once again taking time out of your day to stop over here to check out my videos. I appreciate you guys. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James and I make content on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you like content like that, you can stick around by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop videos and you don't miss anything. Alright guys, so right here I have the Air Jordan 5 Oreo that's scheduled to drop this month, September 2021. Now I really do like what they're doing with the box here, and I'm not exactly sure if the box from 2013 when these originally came out is the same as this or not. I wasn't able to grab a pair back then. I believe that the boxes are similar, but here you're going to get the Jordan Jumpman in white. You're going to have mostly an all black box. Down here you're going to have this black and white speckle that goes around pretty much the entire sides and the back of the box right there. Now on the size tag it reads Air Jordan 5 Retro, black, cool gray, white, and this is a personal pair size 8, and I believe that these are going to retail for $190. So now I'll give you guys an up close look at the size tag. Alright, now you will get a flip out lid on this box. Inside you will get the gray and white cement paper. And let's take our first up close look at the Air Jordan 5 Oreo. BAM! Now for the people out there that are interested in what the box looks like, so inside of it you will get a quality control green and white sticker right there. And then on the inside of the lid, you will get a lot number. Now I did pick these sneakers up from GOAT. I've had them probably for about 3 weeks, and I'm just giving you guys some shots of the box on every side. I know that some people are very into that, others not so much, but some people are really into what the box looks like, what the presentation is going to be like if they pick these sneakers up. So here's just just a quick couple looks at it. But I really do like the Jordan 5 Oreo. I'm not the biggest fan of the Air Jordan 5 silhouette. I tend not to really pick them up very often. Sometimes when I'm wearing them and I look down, I think they look silly on my feet. So it's very colorway dependent for me on if I pick up an Air Jordan 5. Alright guys, so kicking off the review, I'm going to start by giving you guys a full 360 look so you can look at the sides and the back of the sneaker and see what we're working with in this 4K visual right there. Now there's not a whole lot to go over when it comes to the Air Jordan 5 Oreo. It's basically just a white and black sneaker with a little bit of gray hits here and there. And you're basically just going to get a dyed black nubuck material that covers the entire body of the sneaker. And it's not bad nubuck either. You can actually see some, some design, some movement in it whenever you drag your finger across it. And I'm actually kind of impressed that the nubuck is as nice as it is on this sneaker. Now in the middle of the sneaker, you're going to get this white netting right there. And then you're going to get black laces on the sneaker. No other laces come attached to the sneaker or in the box or anything like that. Underneath the laces on the tongue, you're going to get more of that white netting. When you come to the top of the tongue, you will get this gray Jumpman right there, and you don't get any 3M material, nothing reflective like you normally would on most Jordan 5s, but you will get the gray Jumpman right there at the top. Now inside of the sneaker, you will get this shoe tree that is wrapped in white tissue paper. Let's take it apart and see what the actual shoe tree looks like. And here's the actual shoe tree, so you can see what a authentic shoe tree should look like inside of an authentic pair of Air Jordan 5s. Now one thing that kind of sucks about this sneaker is you're actually going to get a white sock liner, which I'm not a fan of because it gets really dirty really quickly and it looks terrible, pretty much as soon as you start sweating or, wearing black socks with this or anything like that. But you will get a black insole with the white Jumpman right there. And then behind the tongue, you're going to get that black patch with the Air Jordan lettering in white. Now here's a shot of the back of the sneaker. Now as you can tell, you're going to get the Jordan Jumpman right there. Now when light shines on it, it appears to be a white Jumpman, but it's actually a gray or a silver color. Now one of the things I like about this sneaker a lot is the way that the midsole looks. So you're going to get a predominantly white midsole with the exposed air unit right there, like a smoke gray color. And then when you come right here, you're going to get those little shark teeth in black with a little bit of speckle right there. And then on the bottom of the sneaker, you're going to get that icy outsole. You're going to have that Jordan Jumpman right there at the forefoot. In the middle of the sneaker, you're going to get that Jordan lettering, and then at the back of the sneaker, it's going to continue with that icy outsole. To be completely honest with you, the Air Jordan 5 Oreo, in my opinion, is not a must-cop sneaker. But that's not to say that I don't like it. I do like this sneaker a lot. I do think it's a nice, clean colorway. The materials on the sneaker really aren't that bad. It's not top quality, but this isn't trash either. So if you're a fan of the Air Jordan 5 silhouette, maybe you just like the Oreo colorway that's on this sneaker, you know, I do think you'll like it, especially if you're able to cop it for retail of $190. Now, when it comes to sizing, when it comes to Air Jordan 5s, I always go true to size. So whatever size you would typically normally wear in an Air Jordan 5 silhouette, that's the size that you're going to want to pick up here. But honestly, I would have rather have seen Jordan Brand retro like the Air Jordan 6 Oreo. That's like a personal grow of mine. I just haven't been able to cop, haven't been able to get one at a good price in good condition. So Jordan Brand, if you're listening or watching, maybe 2022, maybe 2023, if you guys could retro the Air Jordan 6 Oreo, I would really, really appreciate it. But guys, I want to know what you think when it comes to the Air Jordan 5 Oreo. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Are these dope or are these trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Before we get into the on-feet portion of the video, I just want to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content when I drop videos. Enjoy the on-feed portion of the video, guys. And until next time, peace.
Turn up the headphones a little bit. Hey, ISO, let's get it. Whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trying to top it. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Sending emojis. I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old me. Winter time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's obese. Only talking money if it's increased. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down, bust down. She busted open for a real day. Stay tommied up, trying to build it up, trying to count it up, hill figures. Don't be chillin' with no lil, no. And if I do, I be real with them. Chase a dream, that's a meal ticket. ISO gang, yeah, they still with us. I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready. I'm hitting my stride, let's get to the fetty. I was just sitting back watching them fold. Racks on me now, yeah, it's looking swole. I hold it down and I got my own. Keeping it grown, we back to the bone. Yeah, flying flashy, ayy, ayy. We too fancy, ayy, ayy. Can't walk past me, ayy, ayy. Right up your alley, wait. I gotta play it safe. Watch me isolate, watch me isolate, ayy. Watch me isolate. Whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trying to top it. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping.